Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I hope 2023 is the best year yet for all of us. And I am not usually someone who makes New Year resolutions, but I do believe in setting goals, which seems to be the same thing. So my resolution for the new year is to continue growing my channel and bringing fun DIYs, home decor inspiration, and new design trends for 2023. But more importantly, I hope to see and hear from all of you who have found your way here, all of us bringing positivity as we all push each other outside the creative limits. I would love to hear about y'all's New Year resolutions, so please feel free to leave that down in the comments below. I have many exciting projects and things planned for the months ahead, but being a wife and a mother of a 2-year-old, there are a lot of things behind the scenes that y'all never see. Now that the holidays are over, it is time to check back into reality and look at my current disaster, in other words, my home. To say the least, is a little bit beyond messy. It has not had much attention these past few weeks, and quite frankly, it really only takes a day for it to look like a hurricane blasted through. So it being a new year, new me, I felt like it would be the perfect first video back, that being a new year, clean with me 2023. Now I know we focus more on DIYs, home decor, and design on my channel, but having a clean home always fills me with joy and funny enough makes me even more relaxed. That being said, the current state of my house is definitely stressing me out a little bit. So I took the opportunity to send Cameron and Oakland out to a fun-filled day with Grandma so I could focus all of my energy on getting our home back to a cozy space. Cleaning for me is actually a way I de-stress. I enjoy the process of taking something not so pretty and completely doing a 360 with it, which is also the way I feel with DIYs. However, I know that is not the case for everyone, so I find it very important to find ways to enjoy the process rather than despise it. Putting on your favorite motivation music, making sure you make yourself some fun meals during breaks that you might not normally get to make for yourself, whether you've just been too busy or your family doesn't like that particular meal. This is the time to spoil yourself for doing some pretty intense cleaning. If you are looking for cleaning motivation, I really hope that this video inspires you. It is amazing what having a clean home can do for you mentally and emotionally, and to me there is nothing better. So I wanted this video to be less of me chatting y'all's ear off and more of just sitting back, listening to some relaxing music. Next week will be a continuation of our living room makeover. And if you haven't seen the part 1 of this makeover, I will leave it linked down below in the description box. I took vintage thrifted frames and created a beautiful DIY gallery wall using digital prints. So we will be getting right back into home decor and DIYs next week. Make sure to please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the bell notification sign so you're aware of when my videos get posted, which I try to do every Sunday for y'all. Thank you guys so much for being here, and let's continue cleaning up this crazy mess.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy.